Hello, style friends. I'm here to speak with you about the midlife color direction. The color direction is, I think, the first step you need to take for you to start building that wardrobe that reflect who you are inside and out. And when you sit for a color direction, you will receive also a dossier like this one. So we will be talking about value of your hair, skin, and eyes. We will be talking about the level of contrast, the temperature that you carry in yourself. And we're going to be talking about your color quality, which your palette will be built upon it. And we're talking about your personal color harmony and color combinations, that how you can use it when you have your palette in hand. And then we're going to build this beautiful color palette based on all that qualities that you have in yourself. And the palette has 17 categories, and from the formal neutral to the pastel. So are you going to have listed every single category afterwards on how to wear these colors on clothing, accessories, and makeup. So as you can see, is a very rich document that you're going to receive with your color palette that will be customized and made especially for you. So I invite you, come, let's sit for a midlife color direction. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye.